Hey everyone, today I'm doing the front brakes on a 2006 Ford Expedition. And the reason for this video is I always forget what is the best way to put those clips and springs on this Expedition. One goes on the side here, or I should say the back of the caliper, and the other one goes right on the face, on those holes right there. This little end here, there's a little bit of grease on it. It will go on that little hole right there. Do you see it? So it goes something like this. And then this just bends behind the caliper. Make sure it's snug. There you go. That's how it looks like. Nice and easy. This one, not so much. This one, try to put it in first on the hole and then bend it forward so the clip is at the front. And then go to the bottom, and instead of putting it inside the hole first, put the clip in the front, and then with the mallet, you can hit it into place. Here, I'm going to show you again. First start with this hole right here, put that one in, and then stretch it to the side here. And then start with the front like this, and then move it back. There you go. Make sure it's nice and snug. There you go. So this one, and then bend it this way. Then this one here, and then with the mallet, so first, second, third, and fourth. Hope it helps.